this bike at EleXW220017 and I really like it. It was not too hard to put together and it works really well. Like there's different speeds and stuff, so this was a very good purchase.
If you want reliable bikes at a low guaranteed price, hop on to Paradise now. Visit us at electricbikeparadise.com, buy your dream bike on our website, and join our family of satisfied customers. We will ship your bike for free and give you exclusive promos and freebies.